Now in Bengaluru, drive-in worship is being practiced for Sunday Mass. Revati with this report.
How do you attend a church service on a Sunday during a pandemic and ensure social distancing when there are hundreds attending the same service? Probably like this, how the Bethel AG Church in Bengaluru has organized through a drive-in worship. Worship on wheels is what they're calling this, where people who are coming in cars to the church will sit in their cars and pray from inside. There are sound systems that have been arranged. There are large screens that are placed on one side, while there are hundreds of cars which have come in a drive-in prayer service, and on the other side is the pastor on the days leading this service as well. So this is to ensure that minimum mandatory distance between people, between worshippers, between believers who are coming for a Sunday Mass. Now, this is for those who are coming in cars. There's a separate service for those who are coming in two-wheelers, and another different service for people who don't come in vehicles. So this is how something as routine as praying has changed during a pandemic.